Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your phone is signed into the My account and has an active network connection. Go straight to Settings, open My account, then find Device, enable location and remote controls. Once done, note the device name and My account email. You'll use them to locate the device. This step matters because Find Device requires the account and location permission to report coordinates or trigger remote actions. Make sure location accuracy is set to high for better precision. Sign into My Cloud at my.com/find or use the My Cloud app on another Xiaomi device. Use the same My account. Once signed in, select the missing device from the list to request its location. My Cloud pings the device and returns coordinates, battery percentage, and online status. If the device is offline, My Cloud shows the last known location. You can ring to find it nearby, lock to prevent access, or erase as a last resort. Choose actions based on the return status. When My Cloud shows a current location, act, retrieve the device if safe, or provide coordinates to authorities. If the device is offline, note the last seen time and IP info. Also try remote ring and lock so you're ready once it reconnects. If tracking fails, sign into My account on another device to verify settings, confirm family sharing or device visibility, and ensure Find Device wasn't revoked. One key tip: Power Cycle, the lost device's SIM provider account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.